Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at the problems on a triangle. We first covered the ones of the square. Let's say the ones of a triangle as you prepare for your aptitudes. They've said the base of a triangular field is 80 meters and its height is 550 meters. Then they've said find the area of the field. Let's first do that first part. They've said the base is 880 and the height is 550. So area equals to a half base times height, which will be a half times our base, which is 880, times our height, which is that. So here that means we shall get a half, which is 0.5 times 880 times 550, which will give us 24200. That is the area, which is in meters squared. And then they've said also calculate the changes for the supply of water of the field at a rate of this per hectare squared. Are we together? So we are going to first change. Remember I said we have to ensure that the signs are the same. Are we together? So this sign is for hectare. That means when we have to change our area here into hectares. So we can actually say if 1 meter equals to 100, this is actually a hectometer. So actually the area now of the hectometer is that, because a hectometer actually its area is that if one hectometer equals to 100 meters. Are we together? So that means 1 hectometer squared will be 100,000 meters squared. Are we together? 1 hectometer squared, since we are dealing with the squared part. So that means you have 24200 will be equal now to 24200 divided by 100,000. Are we together? No, this is 1 2 1 2 1 2. This goes with this continues with this, we remain with 24.2 hectometers squared. Are we together? But they've said that 1 hectometer squared will be equal to $24.25. Are we together? So out of 24.2 hectometers, that means it will be 24.2 hectometers times 24.25, and our answer will be, because we are calculating for the changes, so our answer actually will be 24.2 times 24.25. So answer will be $586.85. That means these are the dollars that will be used into the supply of the water. Next, they've told us the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. So we first let its height be h. That means if its height is h, its base is 3 times, it will be 3h. And they've said if the cost of cultivating the field is 36.72 per hectare. This is the cost per hectare. That means the actual cost now is 495.72. They've said find now its base and height. That means you're going to first find the area here. Area is a half base times height. So it's a half times its base, which is h, times its height, which is h, which is 3h. So this is also 3/2 h squared. Are we together? And then they've continued now to tell us that, now remember they've told us that per hectare, that 1 hectare will cost $36.72. Are we together? What of 3/2 of h will be equaling to y? This is h squared. So we cross multiply. That means y will be equal to 3/2 h squared times 36.72. So when you get 3/2 times 36.72, our answer is actually 55.08. 55.08 h squared. But remember, I have this value of y because they told us that cost of cultivating is actually 495.72. That means our h squared will be 495.72 divided by 55.08. So when you get 495.72 divided by the answer, you actually get our answer is 9. Are we together? So our h squared is equal to 9. That means our h will be square root of 9 and our h will actually be 3. Are we together? Then when we continue, that means when we continue here, that means if h is 3 and they wanted us to find the base and the height, that means the height is equals to 3 and the base is 3 times h, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. Are we together? Then we have the simple method that we can use, which is if we have the ratio of base to height. For example, here the ratio is 3:1. For us to be able to get the base, it will be square root of 2 times our area. Remember when we calculated our area was 3/2 h squared, 3/2 h squared times the ratio of base to what? The ratio here is 3/, this is 3 plus this, which is 4. Are we together? So that means we shall remain with square root of, this one goes with this. Are we together? Remain with 3 squared. Are we together? No, this is 3. The ratio is 3/1. Are we together? So this and this go. Here remain with 3 times 2, which is 3 squared h squared. So when you get 3 squared h squared, that means we shall get 3h. So our base will actually be 3. Are we together? Then for us to get the height will actually be square root of 2 times our area, which is 3/2. Are we together? Of h squared times, now the other, now this will be 1/3. Are we together? So this will now leave us with square root of, this goes with this and this goes with this. So remain with h squared. H squared